Excuse me. Cheers. Oh.
Smells very chickeny. Like
Smells
herby.
What? I like it.
Yeah, I like it. I eat a lot of them.
Hmm.
I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Very nice.
It's cold. They always cold.
I like it.
I like it.
Mm.
I'd have it again.
Greg's on the back of triangle. Nice
I'm doing your
quality.
voice again.
What voice? This is my bingo voice.
You're doing your bingo voice.
Sam.
I really like that.
Hmm.
I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like chicken, but it's like herby, but in a nice way.
Hmm.
Like garlicky. That's bloody lovely.
Yeah. Pardon? My blue thumb.
Have you got another thumb?
Have I got another thumb? Of course I have.